Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make yellow garri eba. Some people call it fufu, but I don't know why people call it fufu though. But it's eba and it's made from garri flakes. It's a kind of Nigerian swallow that you can eat with egusi soup, okra soup, ogbono soup, vegetable soup, groundnut soup, any kind of soup. So it's mostly eaten with soup, and some people can even eat it with stew as well. So you add the water. The quantity of water should depend on the quantity of your garri. Make sure the water is boiling, and then you add the garri and you begin to stir like this. I missed the clip where I added the garri. I mistakenly deleted it from my phone. So just make sure, if the pot is hot, get a little piece of cloth to hold the handle, and then you hold it down and keep stirring it. If you want your eba to be very soft, you can add little water while stirring it. I just off the gas now because I want to put it down and stir very well. So here it is. This is just the consistency I want. I don't want it to be too hard, and I didn't want it to be too soft. I don't like soft swallow. So this is just exactly how I want it. Stirring it very well give you a very smooth consistency, and that is how to make eba. It is so delicious. So in this video I'm going to be eating mine with the ogbono soup I made with dry okra and bitter leaf. The taste is amazing. It's so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have amazing Nigerian food recipes on this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. I also share daily vlogs on this channel as well. So guys, the eba is so soft. It came out amazing, and this is exactly how it looks. So yellow and delicious. Bye guys.